I welcome each and every one of you to this tutorial here again on this new channel, and this will be the first tutorial I will be teaching you guys on this channel. So what we are going to learn today is something that can generate income, something that will generate income and will make you feel okay. So the first step for you to do is to help me build the YouTube channel. As I've said earlier, this YouTube channel is a new YouTube channel, so it's very new, and as you can see, I don't have a lot of subscribers on it. So all I need from you guys now is to please, as you are watching the video, just check under the video now and please just subscribe to the channel. Just subscribe to the channel please, so that whenever I release videos like this that will be helpful for you, henceforth you will be seeing the video. As you can see, this is my channel and it's already subscribed. So I only have 10 subscribers for now, but hopefully I'll get more in the nearest future. So you can just click the subscribe button and click the bell icon so that you get informed whenever I release any new video. So get down right straight to what we have for you today. So our topic is going to be how to make money on YouTube without publishing videos. That is just the topic, and every other thing will be something, let me just say, it will be an add-on. So I'm going to teach you step by step on how to do this, so you have to stick closely to the end of this video. But I will advise, to make money effectively, you will need to publish videos, and the videos you publish, it will not be as if you need monetization from YouTube, but it will be in form of affiliate marketing, and it will be running on YouTube. You don't need ads, you don't need AdSense all out to make it, but you just need it by your own self to publish the videos, so that viewers may see the videos and see your affiliate marketing link under the video, so that they can click and make money from the link. So, and once they click the link, per one click you will be making your money. There is no much difference between it and AdSense, but you will not be needing to make any video of your own, go to location, stressing yourself to make videos. You just copy videos from other people, just paste the link under, and you'll be making your money. So just watch me as I'm going to do it. Peradventure we want to make something about weight loss. As you can see, is something very popular. When people they have a lot of weight, they want to lose it, so they may be searching on YouTube how to lose weight. So as you can see, there are many articles, there are many videos about weight loss. So as you can see, there's one that says naturally belly fat burner drink 3 fat burner. So as you can see, there are a lot of videos which the people are using to make money, and as you can see now, so what you need to do now, you don't need to go and make your own video, you don't need to go and do any exercise for you to join this career. But all you have to do is to look for a video that doesn't have copyright. I might need to warn you, don't go and do copyright. There are some videos that have copyright, there are some that don't have copyright. So just look for videos that don't have copyright. You can search it, you can use search this thing soft. So look for videos that don't have copyright. So maybe as time goes on, I will do a video about how to get videos that doesn't have copyright, and how to edit videos that has copyright to remove the copyright. So now let's get down to it. You just have to look for a video. Just look for a video here. Sorry, I made a mistake. So you have to look for a video here. As you can see now, there are videos. So just look for a video, copy the link. Just copy the link, go to Google, search for YouTube video downloader, paste the link there and download the video. And if you don't know how to download videos from YouTube to your mobile phone, I'll be also making a videos about how to do that. That will be after this video. So just make sure you download the video, the exact video you want to use. So you download the video. Let's assume everybody has downloaded the video. So let's go to the next step. Step two, let's assume you already have the video now. Step two, the next thing you are going to do is as I was saying, we are going to step 2. Step 2, watch closely. Brother or sister, anybody watching this video, you might need a website. But if you don't have any website, you can use Google Docs. That is documents, Google Documents. So for me, myself, I have a website. So there is no need of using any Google Doc here now. So, but if you don't have any website, you can also go and create a blogspot website with a custom domain. If you don't have a domain, you can just use either blogspot add-on domains for now, which can also help. So you need a website. So the next step is to, I'm going to another tab. So I'll search weight loss. On my browser. I'll search weight loss on my browser. As you can see now, let me see the result that is going to come out of this search. As you can see, there are many websites that wrote about weight loss, how I can really lose fat, how I can really lose weight. Everything is saying the same topic. So it's the same topic. So you can see there are many points here. You can see this one has 9 tips to lose weight faster. So you can click on more information so that you can get vivid. So as you can see now, you see reduce your appetite. You can see that number one has cut back on refined carbs. You can see it has text here. So you will need to copy it with the text. Sorry, I need to get this out of here. So you need to copy it with the text. So what I'm going to do now is that if you don't have any website, I gave you 3 options. I said you can create a website with Blogspot or Wiz. Then you can just go with Google Documents, Google Docs, and you can also, those are the main ones you can use. So for me that I have a website now, let me just go to my website now. Let me go to my website, which is flavorloaded.com.ng. So all I need to do is to log into my website dashboard. Once I log into my website dashboard, I'll go to posts. Name it 9 ways. 9 ways to lose weight easily. So as you can see, this is now a title. That is where the work is now coming. You go to that site that we saw that time. So you have to copy this number 1 and every other thing that is included here. So you may need to write it on your own. That is much more advisable. Instead of copy and pasting, you may need to write it by yourself. So you will just need to add the remaining text here. As you can see, you write the 9 ways as we have said in our title. So you may need to write everything, but for the sake of this tutorial, that is why I pasted this one. So I'm not going to write everything, but I can see I have wrote there are some here now. So just have to press the publish. I just have to publish it so I can have a link to it, as it will be visible on my site. After you have posted that, you have published that on your website, you have your link now. All you have to do is to search for shrink n on Google. So search for that shrink n. As you can see, the results here, and this is it. This is the official site. Just click on it. All you have to do is to sign up. Sign up to shrink n. So after you have signed up successfully, you will need to let's just give it, let's wait for some time for this thing to load. So guys, this is string n, as you can see at the top here, and as you can see, and you can take the URL up here, you can see now. So this is the URL. So the name of the site is string n. So this is a site which you can totally earn money from, just shortening your URL, which you can use on that YouTube channel, as I have did in the previous scenes. So I made a post about weight loss, which I copied the URL which is on my site now. I will now include the URL here. Sorry, I will now include the URL here. That's just the main thing I have to do. The link of that post that I made about weight loss. So you just input the link. So I have to confirm I'm not a robot before I can proceed. So, I'm not a robot. I have to click this icon here now for it to shorten the URL. So let's wait for the URL, for the link to be shortened. Let's give it some minutes to load. It's making the URL. So let's wait. So I have to register. So all you have to do is to register here. After you have registered, they will now give you the link. There's no need, you don't have any, you don't have to have money, or you don't have to register with any money. So you have to just create an account, which they will send a verification email to your email, which will confirm your identity. After that, you get your link. So all you have to do is just sign up to your, so it has no other thing. After the URL has been shortened, so you copy the URL given to you from this site. When they clicks on it on your description, they earn. When they click on it on your description, you are the one that will earn. You will earn the money. When they click the link that will be given for you from this channel, that will be given to you from this site. So when they click it on your channel description, so when they click, as many people that clicks, that is how you make your money. Once they click like this, your money will count. That is all you just have to do, is to create an account with them. That is all. No money included. There is also referral. Like I have said before, there is also referral. So all you have to do is to refer people also, and you have 20% referral bonus. So for everybody, anybody that can look, see now, these are what you will get per 1,000 views. Earnings per 1,000 views. If you can get 1,000 people to click at that link down, you will be getting $20,000. If it's from Greeceland, if the traffic is from Greeceland, Iceland, United States, and the rest, if the traffics are from there, you will get more. You'll get more with just 1,000 views, and you are just okay. And you can collect your money. You can do your withdrawal through bank, through PayPal, through web money, through any method that you can use. As you can see, you have payment method, and you can see the payment frequency is daily, and the minimum payout is $3. So that is okay. It's something you have to go for. It's something you can go for, and it's okay. So I advise you go for it. Thanks.